Funky mix. Start sequence. Let's go.
This is the Gizmovine mud off-road 4x4 truck. It's 2.4 gigahertz. It's 1/16 scale, so you can see how big this box is. So it's much bigger. My 1/32 is only like 4 inches. So this is a lot bigger. It's got a rechargeable battery. Comes in different colors. This should be the green one. It's already got like pre-painted mud splatter on there. So you can see a nice big truck. It's already got pre-painted paint on, or mud on there. Looks very cool. It's got soft rubbery tires. Comes with this nice remote control, this transmitter to turn it, to go forward, backwards. It's got an on-off button there. It's got the batteries here that you do have to supply. It's got the charger underneath here, so it just plugs into the truck, plugs into a USB port. We're going to have to cut this out of here. So far I like this. It's got a little bit of weight. This feels like a couple pounds. It's big. Should be able to go through some dirt, mud, and over some hills. So we're going to put this together and charge it up and take it outside. So I got this out of the box. The charger doesn't plug into the truck. It has a plate underneath here that you got to unscrew. And there's the actual rechargeable batteries in here. So you do have to take this out. It's got the plug on there. Just plugs into the charger. And then plugs into a USB port or into the wall socket if you got a wall outlet. Let this charge for a few hours. Got the on and off switch underneath here. Put the battery back in here. Plug it into the cord it's got in here. Then you should be good to go.